Hi, my wonderful students. Today I'm going to show you, well, you should already know, but we will be making our connection with our database, right? So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to open my co-editor, one of them. I use brackets, and this is a free co-editor, by the way. Stuff there from the PHP course, which I will be removing in a minute. So I'm going to make a folder here called Ajax, all right? Oops, I'm already doing something in my co-editor. Sorry about that. Let's just make something a folder called Ajax on the desktop, and I'm just gonna make sure Ajax is already taken. All right, so Ajax demo. All right, Ajax underscore demo. It looks like I have another folder on my desktop. All right, so Ajax demo, perfect. So here I'm going to create a couple files. Let's just create the first file and then we will deal with the rest, all right? So I'm just gonna right click it, right click anywhere here. Again, this co-editor is free. I'm not advertising them. It has been pretty good for me, all right? It's really good with HTML. So let's create the first one. It's gonna be called search .php, and the reason why we're creating this first is because I want to make sure that we have a connection with our database, all right? Super important, right? So I'm gonna open some PHP tags here, all right? All right, and let's create our connections here. Like I said before, you should already know how to do this. If you don't, and I said it very clearly in a before lecture, all right, because this is a little advanced if you don't know it. All right, so let's create a connection here with a localhost parameter there. Make sure we are creating this. Let me make just this a little bit bigger here so you can see. And just gonna click there. All right, perfect. Okay. And our database name was Ajax, I believe. All right. So that should, let's go ahead and test our connection actually. Make sure that it is working, right? So let's just say yes, it is. Perfect. All right, so I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm having a really good day today again. I'm able to be alive and breathing, all right? I was just sick 1 or 2 weeks ago, and I thought I was gonna die basically, but thank God that everything is fine. All right, so now we do need to actually place this folder in our XAMPP location. All right, just make sure that you place it there. I think I have a htdocs folder in my somewhere in my desktop. It looks like I don't, but that's fine. I'm just gonna go to my XAMPP htdocs. Make sure that you place it in your local server. There we go. Now we have that working there. Now I'm gonna go back to my co-editor, and this little button here allows me to preview this in the browser. So I'm just gonna define localhost here, actually HTTP localhost, and the folder that we made for this one is Ajax underscore demo, right? Ajax underscore demo. There we go. Let's see if this works. All right, let's check it out. Perfect. All right, so what I like about this co-editor is that I can preview my documents. When I click on here, I can just preview it right away on the browser. All right, and even though it's PHP. All right, so we created a connection. It looks like it's working perfect. On the next lecture, we are going to be creating the markup and following with the tutorial. All right, perfect. Thank you so much for allowing me to teach you this course and these classes, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, take care and have an awesome day.